Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Google Play Store server error. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So step 1 is to check and fix the internet connection. For that, please enter into your mobile network and then select the operator and then again select mobile network and enable the manual network. Please choose the operator. Once you choose the operator, it shows registered on network. After that you need to turn on and turn off the airplane mode for quick fix. Once it's done, our second step is to clear cache data on Play Store. So for that you need to enter into app info and then click clear data. Over here you need to clear the cache data. Once it's done, please close it. Third step is to update carrier services. So for that you need to enter into your Play Store and search for carrier services or Play Store services. And the second one, please choose it, and if it shows update, please update it. If not, it's not an issue. Nowadays it's automatically updated over the Play Store. Our fourth step is to synchronize Google. For that you need to enter into your settings and scroll down. You may see the additional settings. Over there, please click account and synchronize. Here you can click synchronize on Google, or either you can click the bottom synchronize option to synchronize all the things. So once you synchronized, please close it. After that, our fifth step is to check and fix the date and time. For that you need to enter into your settings, scroll down and please enter into your additional settings. Over there you may see date and time. Please enable set time automatically and set time zone automatically. If you're already in enable condition, please disable and enable once. So our sixth step is to update mobile phone. For that you need to enter into your settings and then following about phone and update your system OS. If the update is not shown over there, please restart your mobile phone. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.